Hey everybody, if you want to join us for a really fun activity and you're a subscriber on this channel, I am inviting you to be part of our entourage. Not really an entourage, but you want to come to Lakeland for the Mid-Florida Auto Show, which used to be known as the Lake Mirror Classic Auto Fest. We'll be there from October 18th to the 20th, and if you are interested in coming, just leave a comment below and let me know. And if you can post your email or something similar, I can get in touch with you and make sure that you're able to meet up with us. Usually we arrive Friday, October 18th, and we get together for dinner, and then Saturday we go to the show, and then Sunday we participate in the Hemmings Road Rally. If you are interested in coming, again, it would be great to see some of you there, and if you just want to come up and say hi, I will be around. I always love meeting subscribers. When I was in Wisconsin, at least 5 people came out, and it was great to meet some of you, like Jed and Phil and Father John Girardi, you know, to see so many new faces that love these cars. Also, if you have any interest in meeting up for Amelia Island, please let me know, because I want to start getting the ball rolling early on this. Last year we had a great time where we drove up to Amelia Island from Central Florida as a group. We had a great time together all weekend, and I would love to spend some more time with you guys while we drive our army of classic Mercedes around so people can see just how great these cars are. Anyway, if you need any more information, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you. And I'll be checking the video comment feed regularly for your information. So thank you again. We hope to see you soon.